In SAP HANA, union and union all are key operators for merging datasets from multiple select queries. They are essential tools for combining data, each serving unique purposes with distinct performance impacts. Understanding their differences is crucial for effective data management and query optimization. Union in SAP HANA combines result sets and removes duplicates, ensuring data uniqueness. This involves sorting and comparison, which can increase execution time, especially with large data sets. It's ideal for merging distinct records, like avoiding duplicate customer entries from different regions. Union all includes all rows, even duplicates, from combined result sets, making it faster as it skips duplicate removal. This is ideal when duplicates are necessary, such as in analytical applications where every entry matters for accurate aggregation. Select queries in Union or Union all must return the same number of columns with compatible data types. The column names in the result set derive from the first select statement. This ensures consistency and prevents errors, crucial for accurate data integration and reporting in SAP HANA. Use union to merge distinct records, avoiding redundancy, ideal for combining customer lists from different regions without duplicates. Union all is suitable for complete record combinations, like transaction logs, where every entry matters, even if repeated. Choosing the right operator affects data accuracy and query performance, aligning with data nature and business needs. Choosing between union and union all impacts data accuracy and query performance. Union ensures uniqueness by removing duplicates, which can slow down execution. Union all, however, retains all records, offering speed and completeness. Your choice should align with the data's nature and business needs, balancing accuracy and performance. Understanding union and union all is crucial for SAP HANA development. They significantly impact data accuracy, performance, and scalability. Choose wisely based on your data's nature and business needs to optimize your queries effectively.